What makes a great motorcycle? Is it power? Comfort? Maybe it's affordability. Or maybe it's just how damn good it looks in a YouTube video. This is a review of Honda's VTX 1300C. This is Scott Fraser. And this is me, Gary Parsons. Together we will take you across North America on motorcycles, visiting towns and cities, telling history and exploring culture. We are the Northern Road Kings.
Hey YouTube, it's Gary and Scott, the Northern Road Kings. Where are we today, Scott?
Today we are in the beautiful city of Paris, Ontario, Canada.
Paris, Ontario. And we're going to do something different. We're going to give you a review of my motorcycle. So if you've been watching our channel, this is a 2004 Honda VTX 1300C. So we're going to talk about some of the specs and show you some of the highlights, and we'll do that right now.
Honda introduced the VTX series in 2003. It's quite long and low to the ground, featuring significant rake and trail. This gives more leg room from forward-mounted controls. The VTX 1300 was released in three models: the 1300R, R standing for retro with flared vintage-looking fenders; the 1300T, which was designed as a touring model, which also has flared fenders and a fat front tire; and the 1300C, like this one, which was the classic VTX. There was also a VTX 1800 series, but we won't get into the specs on that model. The VTX has a carbureted 4-stroke V-twin with a 1312cc capacity, loads of power and performance. It provides a max of 74 horsepower at 5,000 RPMs and a max torque of 90 pounds per foot at 3,000 RPMs. It is shaft-driven and liquid-cooled and has a fuel capacity of 18 liters or 4.8 US gallons. It has a very comfortable suspension with 5-position spring preload adjustability in the rear. It has a very low center of gravity, so it's easy to balance. What impresses me most about this bike is the look. The black and the chrome accents on this bike are everywhere, as well as a beefy frame that doesn't make me look disproportionate as a bigger guy. In addition, I added Viking bags for all of our filming gear, which is significant. Very impressed, well done Viking. The previous owner installed Cobra pipes, which is exactly what this bike needed. The rumble is what turns the heads with this one. All in all, a great bike. Honda really nailed it with the VTX model. Unfortunately, it was discontinued in 2009. The great news is that they are still pretty easy to find, as long as the owner is willing to part with it. My conclusion? Buy one if you can. 8.5 out of 10, but I'm probably biased. It's my bike.
Alright YouTube, that was our review of my Honda VTX 1300C. And we'll come back in a few weeks and do a review of Scott's Indian, yeah?
Sounds like a plan.
Alright. So in the meantime, I hope you liked the video. Hit that like button if you did. Share the video with your friends. Smash that subscribe button. And we'll see you on the next one.
See ya.
Cheers.